Hey there, internet wanderers. Welcome back to the channel where we make tech as easy as pie and twice as sweet. Ever been to a coffee shop, airport, or that trendy new cafe where the Wi-Fi is as free as the air conditioning? You pop open your laptop, connect to free coffee Wi-Fi, and boom, you're online. But wait, before you start streaming cat videos or checking your bank account, let's talk about something that could save your digital life: VPNs. So what is a VPN anyway? Imagine you're sending a secret note to your friend in class. You don't want the teacher or that nosy kid next to you to read it, so you write it in a special code that only you and your friend understand. That's basically what a VPN does for your internet connection. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. It's like a secure tunnel between your device and the internet. Everything you send and receive is encrypted, which is a fancy way of saying it's turned into gibberish to anyone who might be eavesdropping. Now, why should you use a VPN? Well, think of the internet as a giant, crowded mall. You're walking around with your personal information written on a big sign above your head. Your emails, passwords, even that embarrassing search history. It's all up there for the world and cybercriminals to see. Using a VPN is like putting on an invisibility cloak. Now you're browsing in stealth mode and no one can see what you're up to. Pretty cool, right? But let's get back to that public Wi-Fi at Free Coffee Wi-Fi. Here's why you should never join public Wi-Fi without a VPN. Example 1. The man-in-the-middle attack picture. This. You're at the airport, connecting to airport-free Wi-Fi. Little do you know, a hacker sitting 3 seats away has set up a fake Wi-Fi hotspot named exactly that. You connect, and just like that, all your data is funneled through his laptop. He can see everything. Your emails, passwords, even those selfies you shouldn't have taken. Example 2. Packet sniffers. No, this isn't a dog that works for airport security. A packet sniffer is a tool that allows cybercriminals to intercept and read data transmitted over unsecured networks. Without a VPN, you're basically handing over your information on a silver platter. Example 3. Evil twin network. Sounds like a bad soap opera, right? An evil twin network is a rogue Wi-Fi access point that appears to be legitimate, but is set up to eavesdrop on wireless communications. You think you're connecting to coffee shop Wi-Fi, but it's actually coffee shop Wi-Fi free. That extra word could cost you big time. So what's the solution? Use a VPN every time you're on public Wi-Fi. It encrypts your connection, making it nearly impossible for hackers to steal your data. At CyberAIPros, we recommend and personally use NordVPN on all our devices: computers, laptops, smartphones, you name it. Not only does a VPN protect you from cyber snoops, but it also lets you access content that's geo-restricted. Ever been traveling abroad and couldn't watch your favorite show because this content is not available in your region? A VPN can help with that too. But wait, there's more. Using a VPN can also prevent your internet service provider, ISP, from throttling your bandwidth. Ever notice how your internet slows down when you're streaming or gaming? Your ISP might be putting the brakes on your connection. With a VPN, they can't see what you're doing, so they can't slow you down. In summary, a VPN is essential for privacy, keeping your online activities to yourself; security, protecting your data from hackers; and freedom, accessing the content you want when you want it; a peace of mind, browsing without worrying about who's watching. So next time you're sipping that latte at the coffee shop and need to jump online, make sure you're connected to a VPN first. Your data and your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our tech tips. Got questions or horror stories about public Wi-Fi? Drop them in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Stay safe out there and happy surfing. Visit us at CyberAIPros.com, your data breach protectors. Disclaimer: this video is not sponsored, but if any VPN companies want to collaborate, we're all ears.